Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, scroll down, choose on someone. Okay, click on this person and tap on three dot option. Click three dot, tap on block. Just click, tap on block. That's all. This person is blocked. Try another person. Okay, click on this person, tap on three dot option and tap on block. That's all. Block a Facebook account. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.